Get ready for a detailed examination of some of the leading superfoods that will help you to heal your body and ward off disease. A healthy eating that contains a lot of nutritious, unprocessed foods is the way to cut the inflammation, to boost the immunity, and to prevent the chronic illnesses like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. In the very near future, we will go through some of the most powerful, the research-proven superfoods that you should add to your diet. Berries. Let's begin with berries, which we can call some of the top antioxidant foods that you should eat. Blueberries, raspberries, strawberries, and blackberries are full of vitamin C, fiber, and compounds such as anthocyanins, which are able to neutralize the inflammation and free radical damage. According to the research, the daily consumption of berries improves the brain health, the blood sugar balance, and even the risk factors for heart disease and cancer are reduced. The target is at least 1 cup of fresh or frozen berries for every day. Leafy greens. The leafy greens that are the richest in nutrients like kale, spinach, chard, and arugula should be the basis of a healthy diet. They are the sources of fiber, folate, vitamin K, magnesium, potassium, and anti-inflammatory antioxidants. Leafy greens have proven to be a protective factor against the heart disease and type 2 diabetes. At least 2 servings of leafy greens per day are the recommended through salads, smoothies, soups, and cooked veggie sides. Fatty fish, like wild salmon, mackerel, sardines, and anchovies, are the best sources of anti-inflammatory omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats can prevent the likelihood of heart disease, cognitive decline, depression, and other inflammatory conditions. The American Heart Association encourages people to have fish with fatty acids twice a week. Go for wild-caught sorts when you can. Nuts and seeds. Regarding the concentration of nutrients in a tiny package, nuts and seeds are the best. Nuts and seeds are the rich sources of protein, fiber, healthy fats, and antioxidants like vitamin E. Studies show that nuts and seeds can improve heart health, aid in weight loss, and reduce inflammation. Make a daily habit of having a handful at snack time or on your meals. Fermented foods. Your gut microbiome is a major contributor to your overall health, so why not feed it probiotic-rich fermented foods? Yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, kimchi, miso, and kombucha are the ones that make gut health and immunity better. If necessary, look for dairy-free options and eat a few servings of fermented foods every week. Herbs and spices. Do not ever forget the power of herbs and spices, which are the concentrated forms of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory, and antimicrobial compounds. Turmeric, ginger, cinnamon, rosemary, oregano, and cayenne pepper are great for fighting off chronic diseases. These spices are rich in the flavors and thus use them generously when cooking for a healthy life. Through the inclusion of these nutrient-dense, anti-inflammatory superfoods in your diet, you will be giving your body the tools it needs to work optimally, and thus, you will be preventing chronic disease. Little regular improvements in your lifestyle can be quite significant for your health.